Okay, Caden asked for some help on page 6. I'm hoping that this is page 6. It says it's Unit 4, Mod 1, Session 4. It has to do with place value, and we are rounding. It says that you're going to round each number below to the nearest 100. I always underline important information. And then we're going to use the number line to help if you like. So I don't have to use it, but I can. It's there. So my first number is 567. I am going to round to the nearest 100. So if I'm rounding to the nearest 100, I look at the 100. I go over one place value to decide if it goes up or down. 4 or below, let it go to all zeros. 5 or above, give it a shove to the next place value, 100. So in the tens, I have a 6. That is 5 or above. Give it a shove to the next 100. If I use it on the number line, 567 is about right there. It is closer to 600 than it is to 500. I just checked my work. 717, again, I'm rounding to the nearest 100, so I look at my tens. 4 or below, let it all go to zeros, or 5 and above, give it a shove to the next 100. It's a 1, so it's 4 or below, let it go. So 717 rounds to 700. 889, rounding to the nearest 100, I look at the tens. 4 or below, let it go to zeros. 5 or above, give it a shove to the next 100. Okay, I'm going to skip down to number 7. It says round each of the numbers below to the nearest 1,000. I underline important information. This time I'm going to circle my thousands place. I'm going to look at the hundreds. 4 or below, let it go to all zeros, or 5 and above, give it a shove to the next 1,000. It's 5 or above, give it a shove. If I want to use my number line, I find, 4,903 is about right there. Is it closer to 4,000 or is it closer to 5,000? Oh, it is closer to 5,000. My answer is correct. Okay, next one. I look at my hundreds place to see if I round up or down. It is a 0. 5 or above, give it a shove, or 4 or below, let it go. Let it go to all zeros. If I look at my number line, 5,099, is it closer to 5,000 or is it closer to 6,000? It is closer to 5,000. Last one. I'm going to round to the nearest 1,000. My place value hundreds is a 4. It's 4 or below, let it go to all zeros. So let it go to 9,000. I'm going to let you figure out the next line. Please make sure that you use your answer key in the back of your packet to check your answers after you try them on your own. Number 8 says Amanda is sure she got the high score on a video game, but she's not sure what the number is. Please write it down for her using base 10 numbers. She scored 900, 43,261,585. And that is points. Caleb is positive he beat Amanda's score. His score was 925,261,585. 298,199. Who got the higher score? Amanda scored higher by, if I'm looking at place value, 2, place value